Hi, my name is Olga Ciccarelli. I'm professor of neurology at UCL Institute of Neurology, and my interest is in treating people with multiple sclerosis, or MS. MS is a chronic inflammatory disorder of the central nervous system and is characterized by damage to two components, myelin and axons. Myelin covers the axons. The damage to these two components induces clinical symptoms, which can be physical symptoms or cognitive decline. And we try to improve imaging techniques that can understand the pathological substrates of these clinical changes. This is an exciting project, and the imaging techniques that we are developing can be extended to other applications, such as aging and other neurological diseases, such as dementia. And now I hand you over to Ivana, who is going to describe the technical aspects of this exciting project.
My name is Ivana Drobnjak, and I'm a lecturer at the Center for Medical Image Computing, CIMIC. My main interests are in using computational modeling and applying it to biomedical problems. So this project will develop advanced non-invasive imaging techniques in order to gain better understanding and to be able to do a better treatment and prognosis of MS. To do so, we will study the brain microstructure and function in parallel and try to understand how changes in microstructure influence behavior and produce clinical symptoms. So in order to estimate microstructure parameters, we firstly develop a sequence that we use on the scanner by using very sophisticated optimization tools in order to maximize sensitivity of the signal to the changes in the microstructure. Then once we then obtain the signal, we use models, like tissue models and signal models, in order to fit into the actual data and tries to estimate these model parameters such as axon diameter, volume fraction. Once we have the parameters, we can actually map them all over the brain and see where do the changes in microstructure in the brain occur. So once we've estimated both the structural parameters, the microstructural parameters, and also the neuronal functional parameter, which is the conduction velocity, we are then going to correlate these with the clinical behavior in order to understand exactly how the changes in microstructure influence the clinical symptoms. UCL is a world-leading university and is an excellent place to do a multidisciplinary research, especially on this topic where it's world-leading both in neuroscience and in medical image computing.